What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Robbie Sucks. So, I'm replacing the headliner in the CRV. Check it out. So as you can see, the headliner is out. And this actually was kind of a pain in the butt due to the fact that we had to pull the seals off. And all the plastics had to come down to get the headliner out. This is... what a job. Now I know what you're thinking. What am I gonna do? What's it gonna be? Well, I've got an idea, and here it is. So now, I've put the new fabric on the headliner. You can see it's a nice black felt here, but I got something a little special I'm gonna do. What am I gonna use? Well, this is fiber optic cable. I think we're gonna make this headliner shine. Okay, so here's the process. We're routing our fiber optics and we're finding little groupings here that we're going to tape, and eventually we're going to drill the hole that these are going to fall into, and we'll super glue them on the back and obviously perma-fasten them because this electrical tape won't hold forever. But we'll make sure that we get this good. But it's just going to be like routing all the way through the entire back of this headliner. This is going to be tedious. What do you think?
Yeah, it's going to be fun.
I don't.
Not really.
Not really.
Sounds like the rooster's trying to tell you what to do over there.
Yeah, cock-a-doodle-doo. Alright, so as you can see, we're starting to plug in all the different star patterns here, and I'm taping off all those that are fully installed, and underneath there the fiber optics. This is daunting. This is a lot of work. This isn't something that I think I'll do again. So, babe, if you're watching this, you're welcome. Yeah. So, you know, install this head thing. That's not a header, that's a, what's this called again?
It's
Headliner.
Yeah, headliner.
That's, my brain's mush and my hands hurt.
It's a molded headliner.
Alright, well, we're getting the headliner in and putting the plastics back together because Honda, that sounded like it broke.
It did. Yay, let's build plastic cars.
Alright guys, so we've got the headliner installed and we've routed the power. Oh, I'm all blurry. Let me fix this here. Oh, there we go. Alright, so we got everything done. Check this out. This is so dope.
Oh, pretty.
Look at that. Laying under the stars. We are at cutting our stars.
You can take a lighter and just touch up all the areas where the fabric is.
Yeah. This is cool. Okay, so yeah, we installed the lights. What we didn't realize is we put them on the same wire harness that only turns the lights on when the trunk doors open. So when you close the trunk, the lights never come on.
And now it's raining hard, so.
And now it's raining and
We're tired.
don't. It's okay to suck, just don't give up. Yeah. Just go ahead and open it up. Just come take a look. Take a look at the headliner and everything else.
Am I missing anything?
You're not missing anything.
Did you put it in your black?
Yeah. Hit the lights,
Ooh,
hit the
that
center
looks
lights. See?
That looks cool. I like
Yeah.
that. That looks really good.
Hey, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch.
Sorry.
Alright, turn those lights out.
Okay.
I'm gonna turning off. There you go. Sit right there. I don't want you to look up.
Oh my god, that's so cool. Wow, babe, that's really cool.
I put stars in your car.
You put stars in my car. That's so sweet. I like it. Thank you.
But it only works when you open the trunk.
Got it. I knew there was gonna be a Robbie sex kick to it. Oh my god.
I put it on the wrong circuit.
Love
And then I
it.
put the car back together and figured out when I was driving away.
You're a ding dong. Oh my god. That's still cool though. Oh, but so I have to open my trunk to get it to work?
Yeah, but if we I can fix it. I'm just gonna have to rewire it. But I figured you'd want to see it now.
That is so cool.
And there's a remote control that programs everything. You have all those different colors to choose from, and you can actually, once I get it wired correctly, it'll go to the beat of your music.
Oh, fancy.
Yeah.
How do you? Oh my god.
Just hit the buttons.
I kind of like it what it's doing though. It's
Okay,
really
that's called
cool.
fade. And it'll fade into different colors. And then you put your seat all the way back, and with the trunk open on a summer night, look at the stars.
Very cool. Even if it's cloudy.
Mm-hmm.
That looks really cool. Thank you. I like the black. It looks good.
See?
It's really nice. Thank you. That was very cool. My car is fixed.
Oh.
Yay!
And your seatbelt's installed too.
And my seatbelt's installed. Thank you for fixing my car.
You're welcome. Alright, well, I'm done. I did it. I got the car back together, and I got stars in the headliner. This sucked. But
Don't
it's-
do it again.
I don't. We may end up doing it again. But, even though it sucked, it's okay to suck. I've never done this before. But I didn't give up.
Don't ever give up.
Don't ever give up. Like, subscribe, keep coming back for more Robbie Sucks. I'll see you guys next time.